House of Exotics. Get a glimpse of the wild side.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm just going to kind of take you guys through and show you a little bit of the routine maintenance that I have to do here every day, and get to see some cool animals and kind of how things are done out here. So anyway, let's just walk around and see what we got going on here. Got some stuff to show you, and we'll get started here momentarily. And yes, I'm aware some of you guys might not like my shirt, but when I make these videos, I really don't plan anything out. This was just a shirt that I threw on when I got up this morning. If you like it, awesome, I appreciate that. And if you don't like it, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. If you can look past it, that's great. If you can't, just skip over the video. It's that easy. Yeah, I thought this was a great place to put a fish tank until I decided to try to change out the filter pad today. Sometimes when you rush things, you just things get overlooked. Well, at least that wasn't that hard. All kidding aside, this enclosure was just meant to be temporary. It's actually housing some Lake Malawi eye biter cichlids, also known as compressiceps. But I got 8 of them. This is their little setup here until they get a little bit bigger, but they are beautiful fish when they grow up. Hard to see them right now, I know, but they're really curious, they're really cool, they're responsive already, eating great. I had my friend Nick order these for me over at Discover Aquatics. Alright, enough about the fish. Let's go see Jimbo the bull snake. I think I saw he left me a big present this morning. So next up on our list of maintenance to do today is Jimbo the big bull snake. He laid a big old spicy meatball, as Chandler would call it. So we're gloving up and gonna get this changed out real quick, get him all cleaned up. I know, guys, not the most exciting content, but yeah, big old dookie in there. Jimbo's hiding underneath his log while I get rid of this big log. I think I'm gonna make up some more Repti-Chip to put in some of these enclosures today. There's a few of them that definitely need topped off, maybe some wood added and stuff like that. So we'll do that here in a little while. This doesn't have anything to do with maintenance, but one of my favorite snakes, Osiris, is out and about, so I figured I'd show you guys a quick glimpse of him basking.
Look at him. He is just beautiful. Now, he's not too happy about me being in here, so I'm gonna leave him be, let him bask. Look at that beautiful air plant. Ooh-wee. Alright, bye Osiris, you're getting mad. Alright, next up on the list is we gotta refill this tank here. This is the one that Big Puff, my Fahaka pufferfish, lives in. And as you can see, the water has gotten quite low because I really don't have to do water changes on this tank. It's got a massive plant. As you guys can see, this plant is probably a good, I don't know, there's probably at least 60 feet of this potho in here. It goes all over the whole entire room and is more than enough to take care of Big Puff. And yeah, it pretty much keeps this tank nice and healthy without having to do any real filtration. So we're gonna go ahead and top this off. Alright guys, that's all finished. On to the next thing. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, guys, is I think we're gonna put this guy here back with Big Mama. I think she might be later in the breeding process than I had thought, and this guy here has not ate since 12/24. So that's about 3 months that he hasn't eaten. It's breeding season. He's quite bored. He definitely needs a purpose, and this guy is my stud, so we're gonna go ahead and set him up real quick. There's Big Mama. She's an absolute monster. Here you go, buddy. Go do your thing, man. She's right over there. We'll leave them paired up for a couple of days. If I can get the drawer shut. Like I said, we'll leave them paired up for a couple days. If she is later on in the season, like I thought she might be, then now is like the perfect time to make sure that those eggs come out fertile. Even though she's definitely most likely holding sperm from last year, still good to try to make sure it's a guaranteed clutch. So anyway, on to the next thing. So this pond here houses my Wilago that was born with no eyes and my red Attabapo pike cichlid. So we're gonna go ahead and try to change the water out on this one too real quick while we're at it. Place that pump in there. That's all we do. Water comes up this tube, goes into this PVC system, which I installed in this entire room because there used to be a lot more fish tanks in here, but it still serves well for the pond and for the other couple tanks. But anyway, that PVC leads through the wall and goes to my sump pump, and then the water goes directly outside. It's a very easy and efficient way to change a lot of my fish tanks. Alright, looks like this water change is just about finished here. I'm going to add some salt into the aquarium because that pike really likes to mess with the poor Wilago. So this will help speed up the healing process and get things going.
Anyway, maybe we'll go check on the turtles next. So here it is, the turtle pond. It's been running for, I don't know, a few months now. As you can see, it's doing very well. These pothos have really taken off. Got another big one over here growing out. Basically just put this little guy in here for aesthetics. It was some plant that I was not real familiar with. It's called like a rabbit's foot fern or something like that, but I think it looks pretty neat, even though they don't go up there. But I don't get these guys out very often, so when I do, I just kind of like to visually inspect them, see how they're doing, make sure nothing's wrong. This is the pink belly side neck. The camera barely even picks up his amazing colors, but everything looks good. Totally healthy. She has at least doubled in size. Letting her go back in. There you go. Now, I hardly ever actually check on the motto, but I would like to see how he's doing. He kind of had some shell issues when I got him. Looks like he still does a little bit. I've been adding salt here and there to help with that, and keeping the water really clean, doing lots of water changes. But overall, he looks pretty good. Top of his shell looks great. All right, buddy, let's put you back in there. You're stinky. All right, that's it for the turtle pond. All right, I guess we'll go check on Jupiter and wrap this video up. What are you doing, Jupiter? Anyway, guys, just want to say thanks for watching the video and all of the continued support. And if you don't mind, please don't forget to subscribe so you get all the latest videos. But I guess that's all we got for today. See everybody later. Peace out.